Good morning, my dear children.
Good morning, ma'am.
It's going to be good
Morning,
afternoon.
ma'am.
How are my children doing? How are you all?
Fine,
Fine.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So shall we start with the seminar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So rest all, please listen
Yes,
carefully.
we can
She's going to
start.
present a seminar and she'll be asking questions. So please listen carefully, be attentive. And the people who have not turned on the video, please turn on your video and all the best. Okay, Anupama and all the people who are going to put up the seminar, all the very best. Do well. Okay. So my dear Anupama, I'm going to put you on the spotlight, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Anupama.
Ma'am, share screen is disabled.
Louder, louder.
Ma'am,
Anupama,
share screen is disabled.
1 minute.
I'm the host fully cancelled.
So go to the next one.
Can't you share now? Is it your problem,
Yes,
Anupama, my
ma'am.
dear?
Ma'am, host disabled participant screen sharing.
Yes, ma'am. Only the host can share this in this
No, my
meeting.
dear, rest all classes, everybody was. So should I make you the host, my dear Anupama?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can allow that all can
security. We got to security.
Okay, okay. Now we will
Ma'am,
do one thing.
security.
Now we will do one thing. Wait, we will do one thing. Just let me, because these are technical issues. So let me find out what is to be done. We have another period after the lunch break. So we will start with the seminar then, right? So
Okay,
as I
ma'am.
have told you to take the workbook. Have you taken the workbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell the page number?
Anupama, hope so you did not feel bad. Did you feel bad, my dear?
No, ma'am.
Okay, we will continue at 140, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now look at the screen. Look at the screen. Do you remember this haunted house?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shahad, you just tell me something about this house. When did I show you? And what was I teaching the last session when I showed you this? Shahad?
Ma'am, it was scary.
No, I am
It was
asking
very
the topic.
old.
The topic which we were
The
discussing.
Canterville chase.
Very good. When we were dealing with the Canterville chase, I had showed you this haunted house. Now on the page number 14, we have something to do with the same story. Okay. Here, Virginia helps the ghost. Do you remember Virginia there? Do you remember Virginia in the story? But she did not have many dialogues there. But here in this part of story, what is Virginia going to do? Virginia has got a main role, right? So Virginia
Yes, ma'am.
helps the host.
Ma'am, I was the Virginia.
Okay, you were Virginia. Okay, Shahad. Okay.
Yes,
Now you just tell me how is she going to help the ghost? Nairin, do you have any idea how is Virginia going to help the ghost? Is anyone who would like to say something on this topic? How is Virginia going to help the ghost? Virginia is going to help the ghost in getting salvation. What is getting salvation? We know already that ghost is no more. Only his spirit exits. Am I right?
Yes,
Am I right?
ma'am.
Okay.
Virginia
So how did Virginia, please mute your device, please don't talk. Okay. Well, how did Virginia help the ghost? Virginia helped the ghost in getting salvation, in getting the deliverance, in getting the peace of soul. Okay. In the course book, you read an extract from the story, The Canterville Ghost. Now, read an extract from another part of the story where the Otises have spent the morning looking for their daughter, Virginia.
Good morning,
Has
ma'am.
gone. Who has gone? Okay. So who has gone missing? The twins who had been searching in the garden come back to the house and find that everyone is very upset and do not know what to do. So what is the situation in the story? Virginia helps the ghost. Virginia is missing. And the whole family is scared. They are frightened. They're looking, Mr. and Mrs. Otis, they are looking for their daughter, Virginia, and even her brothers. Do you remember Lewis and Clark? Lewis and Clark, her brothers, right? We had played this role play last week. So Lewis and Clark, they were searching for her in the garden, but they were not able to find her. So everybody was upset and do not know what to do. Now you just tell me, suppose if one member is missing from our own family, how do you feel? What is the situation there? You just imagine now in this Mrs. Otis family. In this Otis family, Virginia is missing. Virginia is nowhere. They are not able to find. They are helpless. A kind of helplessness where they are not able to find her. So how do you feel? You just imagine in place of this family yourself, and just imagine that one of the family members is missing. How do you feel? What are your feelings? None of you are going to feel anything. Very good. Jelin Elizabeth. Tell me, Jelin.
Ma'am, if anybody is missing from our family, we got so sad, so scared.
Scared. We feel sad. We get scared. We don't know what to do. Very good, my dear Jelin.
Yeah.
Okay, Nairin, my dear. Come on, tell me. Nairin, you have to check your audio. I can't hear you. Faiz, tell me, Faiz. What do you want to say, Faiz?
Ma'am, we will be worried.
We will be worried, a kind of state where we want to do things and find out, right? But not able to find out, right? So here what happened here? Virginia was missing and everyone was scared in the house. Now, how is the scene? What is the scene here? In the hall, they found a group of frightened servants, and lying on a sofa in the library was Mrs. Otis. So where was Mrs. Otis? Mrs. Otis was in the hall. She was lying down on the sofa in the Mrs. Otis was in the library. She was lying down on the sofa. She was terrified, and Mrs. Umne was bathing her forehead with. Who is going to pronounce that word? Come on, look at the board. E-A-U, E-A-U-D-E-C-O-L-O-G-N-E. Who is going to tell me what is the right pronunciation of this word? Yes, Anupama, try.
Eude Logan.
Okay, good try. But how do you pronounce this? How do you pronounce this? Eau de Cologne. How do you pronounce this? Eau de Cologne. And what is the meaning of this word? It is a strong perfume. Strong perfume with strong smell. A perfume with strong smell, what do we say? We call it as eau de Cologne. So what did I say now? Mrs. Otis is lying down on the sofa in the library, and Mrs. Umne is applying something on her forehead. You might have seen your parents doing, right? You might have seen your parents applying a kind of liquid on the forehead once they have headache. Have you seen a kind of liquid which has got strong smell? Yes. What is that, Nairin? What do you want to say?
Ma'am, Vicks.
What is that, Nairin?
Ma'am, Vicks.
Vicks. Okay, he's telling me Vicks. Okay, Vicks. Not only Vicks, a kind of liquid in a small thin bottle we get. I don't remember exactly. What is that, Navin?
Ma'am, Tiger Balm.
Okay, now here they are giving me different brands. Okay, my dear Navin. Okay, so she was applying on her forehead so that in order to keep herself calm. Mr. Otis insisted, please have a look into your book. Mr. Otis insisted that she have something to eat and ordered up dinner for the whole party. It was a quiet meal as hardly anyone spoke, and even the twins were silent as they were very fond of their sister. So now Mrs. Otis told, let us have something for the dinner. All they were dining. Now in this particular situation, if I am the one, we don't feel like eating anything when one of the family members is missing. Am I right? But here the situation was unavoidable. The lady was not feeling comfortable. So they were on the dining table having the meal, but none of them spoke. They hardly spoke, Miss. None of them spoke. Even Lewis and Clark, they did not speak a single word because they liked their sister very much. Midnight began to boom. Midnight means somebody else. What is the meaning of midnight? Midnight, when do we call? Jalin Shaiju, tell me.
Ma'am, on 12 o'clock.
At 12 o'clock, right?
Yes,
have you seen a clock tower? Have you seen a clock tower? Look at this. This is clock tower. You might have seen. Have you not seen this? This is very common. In big towns, all you might have seen, right? So midnight began to boom from the clock tower, and at the last stroke, they heard a crash and a shrill cry. So when it was 12 o'clock, and when they heard the last stroke from this clock tower, they heard a shrill cry. Now, what is the meaning of shrill? What is the meaning of shrill? Shrill means high pitched, loud sound, right? At 12 o'clock, there is a belief that the ghost arrive in the midnight, right? So at 12 o'clock, what happened? They heard a very high pitched, loud sound. Is there anyone who just try to act, who just try to show us what is high pitched, loud sound? Just try. No? A scream. You have to scream. Faiz, are you ready, Faiz? Faiz is smiling from there. This often you do at home, am I right? See, Anna Rose is smiling from there. Don't you? Yes. So who is going to show us here? Who is going to demonstrate for us? Anyone, please, come on. Just a loud scream. Okay, Romel is ready. Very good, Romel. Come on. Once more, Romel. Your audio. Little more. Come on. Once more. Unmute. Okay, very good. Okay. So they heard. So what did I say? They heard a high-pitched, loud sound, and as a dreadful peal of thunder shook the house. What is the meaning of peal of thunder? Peal of thunder means what? Look at this. Peal of thunder means what? Peal means what? A series of sound. Hope so you are copying down the meaning. This is the meaning I had given you when I was teaching Canterville Ghost. Hope so you remember. So it was terribly thundering, lightning. Then the air was filled with music. How was the air? It was filled with light music, and the door at the top of the staircase flew open. Okay, you just imagine the situation there. How is the situation? 12 o'clock midnight, thundering, lightning, and the air was filled with music. Suddenly they hear a high-pitched sound and the door opens. Virginia stepped out onto the landing very pale. So who came out now? Okay, now look at this picture. Look at the eyes of Virginia. What do we understand? How is her expression? She is very scared. So what is the meaning of pale? Pale means what? Having less color than usual, typically as a result of shock, fear, or sickness. Why? Because she was having a conversation with a ghost. Even we, when we get scared, when we are caught red-handed doing something wrong, right? At home, when we are caught doing something wrong, red-handed, what happens to the color of the face? Fades away means what? We, because of shock, fear, all those things, what happens? We get scared. Okay. So as I showed you, look at her picture. She is totally scared. She was holding a little box in her hand. So look at her hand. What is there in her hand? There is a little box. Then in a moment, they had all rushed up to her. So in a moment, so what happened? She came down from the staircase. Now, in 1 minute, let me finish this. Okay. So she came down from the staircase. She's there on the staircase. She's holding a small box. As soon as they saw all of them, Mrs. Otis, Mr. Otis, then Clark, all the people who were there, they ran to her. Mrs. Otis, her eyes streaming with tears. So what happened to Mrs. Otis? She started crying. Terribly, she hugged her and kissed her, and the twins did a wild dance around the group. So Lewis and Clark, what did they do? They were so happy, extremely happy. They were running around her, running around their sister. Good heavens, child, where have you been? Said Mr. Otis. So Mr. Otis, what did he do? He asked his daughter, good heavens, where have you been? Where did you go? Mr. Otis rather angrily thinking she had been playing some foolish trick. Okay, then, my darling, thank God you are found. So what did mother say? Mother was very happy to see. She was extremely happy to see her daughter. She said, my darling, thank God you are found. Don't ever leave me again, murmured Otis. What is the meaning of murmured? Murmuring means what? Saying something in a low continuous sound. This word also we have already learnt. This is only a refreshing. Okay, refreshing your knowledge. Murmur means what? Saying something in a low continuous sound. So mother was so happy that she hugged her, she kissed her, right? Then she was shivering. Who was shivering here? Virginia was shivering because just she had met the ghost. Ghost handed over a box of jewels. So she was in that shock. So she was shivering. And what did Mrs. Otis do? She was smoothing her hair. Now, when you put your head, when you put your head on the lap of your mother, father, grandmother, or whoever it is, what do? They just run their hand over your head. Am I right? What is your feeling? How do you feel? You feel, a kind of feeling where you feel comfortable, right? One kind of happiness is there, right? Nairin, what do you want to say, Nairin?
Ma'am, sometimes I feel massaged.
Yes, yes, it's a very good feeling. If you have not done, please do it. Okay. Okay, so just lie down on the lap of your father or mother, who grandfather, grandmother, brother, or whoever it is, and once they run their hands over your hand, you feel like massaging and a kind of happiness. Okay, so here also, okay, so here also what happened? Mrs. Otis held her because she was shivering and she was smoothing her hair. Papa, said Virginia quietly. So very quietly, what did she say? Papa, I was with the ghost. Suddenly, if my daughter comes and tells me, Mama, I was with the ghost, you just imagine what will be my situation. Yeah, very good. Will I say like this? No, no, no. I will be shocked. Rather, I will be shocked. So here, when she told she was with the ghost, he is dead now. So what did she say? Papa, I was with the ghost. He is no more and will never walk again. He will never come back again. He had been very wicked, but he was really sorry for all that he had done. And he gave me this box of beautiful jewels before he died. Right? So what did she say? I was with the ghost, and ghost asked sorry. He apologized for all the wicked things that he has done with all of us in this Canterville chase, and he has gone. He is no more. He will never come back again. Before going, what did he give? He gave a small box of jewels. Okay, so here the story ends. Now, if you have any doubts, please ask me. Is anyone who has got doubts? Tell me, Bilsa, what is that, Bilsa?
Dairy fan.
Ma'am, this is that oil.
Ma'am, I also have that.
Now, okay, look at Bilsa. Bilsa,
Ma'am, that is eucalyptus oil.
Narendran, please mute your device. Look at this liquid which
I
I was
have,
talking about, which
ma'am.
we apply on the forehead when
And
we
this
are.
oil I have.
Ma'am,
Yeah. That is
gold
very
medal
normal.
oil, ma'am. It's called gold medal oil.
Okay.
I also have that full.
My mother has.
Okay. Now let us discuss the question answers if you have no doubts regarding the story. Am I right? Now, whoever knows the answer, what should you do? You have to put your hand up and check your pronunciation, which you learn in the accent training period, and all those things. Be very careful about the words. And whenever you answer, please answer in full sentence. Right? Are you ready? Just show me a thumbs up at least. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. What was Mrs. Otis doing when the twins came to the house? Who knows the answer? What was Ivan? Come on, Ivan.
Ma'am, Mrs. Otis was lying on the sofa in the library.
Very good. What was Mrs. Otis doing? Mrs. Otis was lying down on the sofa in the library. Very
Ma'am,
good.
we should write it in this.
No, that I am just discussing now. You have to write by yourself during the holidays. I'm not going to make you to write. Okay, just try to. So only I'm telling you, just be very attentive. Just listen to the discussion here. What time was it when Virginia finally appeared?
Can I, ma'am?
1 minute.
Can Jenny?
Just please put your hand up. Please don't talk. Okay, let me see now. Let me see. Okay, Amna, give me the answer. What was the time when Virginia finally appeared?
Ma'am, middle of the midnight in 12 o'clock.
How will you answer? It was midnight. In simple
Virginia-
words, you can just say it
Virginia
was
finally
midnight.
appeared during midnight. During midnight.
Jelin, okay, just listen. You just say in simple sentence, it was midnight when Virginia finally appeared. Then, how do you know this? How do
Because
you
the
know
clock
this? What?
has
Jelin, please put your hand up. Don't talk. Let me see how many of you. How do you know this? I showed you one clock tower and I told you something. If you have noticed, right? Okay, Jelin, tell me. Jelin Elizabeth, tell me. How do you know this?
ma'am, the clock in the midnight the clock rang.
Okay, how do we know this? We know this because the clock tower began to boom the time. How do we know this? We know this because the clock tower began to boom the time. Okay, the next question. The next question, how did Virginia look when she appeared on the landing? How did she, when she appeared? I showed you one picture with big eyes
Yes,
and I
ma'am.
showed you something. Yes.
Which question are you reading?
Narendran, please take the page number 16. Nairin, give me the answer.
Ma'am, Virginia was looking very pale and white.
Very good. She was looking very pale and white. Then the next one, fourth question. How did the family react upon seeing Virginia? Once they met Virginia, how did the family feel? How did the family feel? Ishal, tell me, Ishal, give me the answer. How did the family feel? Ishal, I can't hear. Your audio, you have to check, my dear. How did the family feel? They all Shahad. Tell me, Shahad, give me the answer. How did the family feel?
Feel was they were very happy,
Okay.
and when the Virginia told that I was with the ghost, they were shocked.
Okay, before that, I think so you can add this sentence. What was their feeling? They all rushed up to her. Mrs. Otis hugged her, kissed her. And do you remember the twins? They were dancing. They were having a wild dance around the group. Then last one. What did Virginia have in her hands? Where did she get it from? What about others, my dear? Bhadra, come on, Bhadra. Narendra, Jelin, please mute your device. Bhadra, please give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
What did Virginia have in her hands?
Virginia had a little box. She got it from the ghost.
Very good. Virginia had a small box of jewel, and where did she get it from? She got it from
Ghost.
the ghost, or the ghost handed it over to her. Okay. Okay. Now look at the. So A on the page number 15 and 16, A and B, you can mark it as homework. Take it as homework.
Page 15 and 16.
Yes, 15 and 16, my dear Narendran. Whenever the teacher says something, no, please listen carefully. If you listen carefully, once telling is enough. Fia Lijo, Fia, my dear, did you mark? Page number 15 and 16, A and B, you have to mark it as homework. Right?
Ma'am,
B,
in the
complete-
17th
listen,
page also, ma'am.
Listen. Complete this text with the correct words and phrases from the box. That is very easy. A and B, you have to do it in the, you have to do in the
Can
book.
you tell the page number again? 16.
Okay, page number 15 and 16. A and B, please mark it as homework. And this homework you have to do in the workbook itself. Now that grammar we are not going to touch. Take the page number 18, 1-8, vocabulary. We have the
Yes, ma'am, we do.
vocabulary. Read these expressions with break. With break. You might have heard the word break, right? Break dance, break a leg, break down, all these things. Then match them to their meanings. Look at the column A, break a leg. What do you mean by break a leg? You just see the options in the column B. Break a leg means Nairin. Nairin, what is the meaning of break a leg?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, my dear.
Ma'am, the first one is
Yes. The first one is Badra. Let us not, Badra.
Yes, ma'am. E used for wishing someone good luck, especially before a performance.
How did you get this answer, Badra? You just tell me, how did you?
Because I watch like English TV shows and like some have performance, and so some people say break a leg like that.
Yes, see, look at, now you see rest all, even you don't know what is the meaning of break a leg. Some of them were thinking as if, breaking a leg or fracturing the leg, nothing like that. Break a leg means what? Wishing somebody all the best, good luck before a performance. So what is the option you have to mark there? E, used for wishing someone good luck, especially before a performance. Next one, breakdown. This word is very common, breakdown. What is the meaning of breakdown? Breakdown means used when a machine or vehicle stops working. This word is very common. You might have heard, right? Your father telling, mother telling, at home when we are traveling, breakdown, right? Look at the third one, tough break. What is the meaning of tough break?
A bit of bad luck.
A bit of bad luck. A bit of bad luck. Tough break, a bit of bad luck. Then break the ice. Break the ice means what? This is also is very common word, expression which, sorry, not a word, expression which starts with break the ice means what? Second option, B, to do or say something to start a conversation with someone who is being very upset.
One.
To do or say something to start a conversation with someone who is being very quiet, not upset. Okay. Break the ice means what? Talking with somebody who is very quiet is called breaking the ice. Then comes the broken record. What is the meaning of broken record? To say the same thing over and over again. To say the same thing over and over again. What do we call? We call it as
Break record. Broken record.
Sachin, Telsa, Faiz, Bilsa, Nevin, Parvati, Josein, Krishnaveni, please turn on your video. And look at the last one, a clean break.
Ma'am, when I can't on the video, when I on the video, they are telling
Okay, my dear Krishnaveni,
Option C, to remove oneself completely and finally.
to remove oneself completely and finally from a situation. What do we call? Clean break. So these are the expressions which we learned with break. Okay. So in the afternoon session, we are going to have the seminar plus the activity. None of you are going to be absent. Everyone has to be present. Faiz thought that I'm telling some joke there. So Faiz is giving me a beautiful smile from there. Okay. So this is all about today's session. It's already 12:27. If you have any doubt, Telsa, my dear, can you hear me? Telsa can't hear. Do you have any doubts? No. So see you in the afternoon with the activity. Please don't forget the activity. Activity has got marks plus
Seminar.
Okay. So all the very best. See you in the afternoon. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ma'am,
What is that, Devananda?
ma'am, broken record, I not got that.
Broken record is a D
Option D, to say the same thing
Say
over and
something
over.
over and over again. To say something over and over again. Don't use all these words at home. Don't use especially this word broken record. Right? Am I right? Broken record means what? To say something over and over again. What do we call? Broken record. Any other doubts?
No, ma'am.
So
No, ma'am.
See you at 1:40 sharp. Go and have lunch. Get ready.
You at 11.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.